all. Me just said 22 women for the PNP. Record breaking for the PNP. And I want to tell you that just like how time come for a Mark Golding-led Jamaica, time come for a Natalie Nita Garvey-led local government. Help me welcome to the microphone, Comrade Natalie Nita Garvey.
Yeah. No, I never been.
Chairman and comrade chairwoman. Brown sounds so nice, them have to get two of them for chair this meeting. Two bright, beautiful. From me come here tonight, you beg me to sing. Eh? From me come here, beg me to sing. See one about this. Let me heal up the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. I want to respect the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, the man who is going to transform Jamaica into a first world country, Comrade Mark Jefferson Golden, the man with the plan. I want to big up my General Secretary as well, because you have taken us from a point where we were going under to a place where we are now going to overcome. And I'm not wonder how we overcome, because we have a good team. My respect to the four bright, vibrant candidates of St. Anne. Rally with Gabby! Them say Russell going to give you results. And them say Ryan are the lion. Going to give you results. And if I look on Danishka, you know if you ask twice. You know if you ask twice. Beauty and brains. Beauty and brains. Come for run Southwest. All the councillors who are here, I want to big you up. Colleague MPs, the warriors of the PNP, the massive in St. Anne. This is Brownstone, this is PNP territory. From me know myself, Brownstone a PNP territory.
Turn up the thing, PNP, turn up the thing, PNP, turn up the thing, PNP, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up.
I had the fortune of spending my last 2 years of high school at St. Hilda's. Anybody from St. Hilda's in the house? One of the best schools in Jamaica. So is your castle. So is the Brownstone Community College. This Brownstone community is one of the best communities anywhere in Jamaica. But it gone down. It dirty. It market a leak. It bathroom now work. The dirty water run side like food. Brownstone was shake up. Brownstone need leadership. Ocharius that look like no tourist town. Ocharius needs shaking up. Ocharius needs the leadership of the People's National Party. Alexandra no have no market. The marketplace done dancehall. Alexandra needs leadership by Danishka Williams under the People's National Party. Let me tell you something. If it is that we are to truly serve the people of Jamaica, then local government is important. Because the local services is what reach you first. When you go to a road, I went into a community yesterday and I saw a cemetery that was so overgrown, you can't see the name on none of two. Every cemetery across Jamaica is a national disgrace. The People's National Party is going to ensure that we respect our dead who would have been there for us. We can't continue to live dirty, without structure, without order in our towns, in our communities. We are going to get back to cleaning our garbage and returning that responsibility to the municipal corporations, so the big man up at top and central government stop playing the fool with garbage collection in our communities. Rural people deserve garbage collection just like Jack Hills or Stony Hill or anywhere else in Jamaica. Whether you come from Cherry Garden or you come from Top Boxing, you deserve garbage collection like everybody else because you pay taxes as well. Our parochial roads, the roads where we live. Me not no problem, I love the highway because of the highway built through PJ Patterson, Portia Simpson Miller, and them did bright enough to go put on Edward Seaga highway. Rush down that line, the Edward Seaga gonna build the highway. But the roads where our people live must get attention, and that's why the People's National Party will ensure that those of you who live in schemes and communities will have your roads set aside as priority in the next PNP-led government. We want to take care of you. We are not just choosing Jamaica because we choose Jamaica a long time. We are choosing to work and serve the people of Jamaica because we are the People's National Party. That's what we do. Comrades, I am very excited about the fact that under Mark Jefferson Golden, we are going to build 50,000 new houses in Jamaica. I am excited. I am excited because it's not just 50,000 houses, it's 50,000 affordable houses that ordinary Jamaicans will be able to buy. I'm excited because if you are a young person under the age of 35 years old, this Mark Jefferson Mark Golden administration will give you $500,000 towards a deposit. Free, a grant. But he's going further, comrades. Mark Golding is going further. He says, when that NHD house is built on government lands, we are going to subtract the cost of the land from the house. So if the house costs $9 million, but the land no out of it at 2 million or 2.5 million, he might go take out the 2.5 million out of the 9 million. So how much you are going to pay? You're going to pay 6.5. And members, let me tell you, say, if you're under 35, you're going to get 500,000. So how much you're going to pay? $6 million. PNP has done it before, and we will do it again. No make nobody trick you. We are going to stop taking the $11.4 billion that they're extracting from NHT, because we know what Michael Manley intended. Michael Manley intended for houses to be built for ordinary working class Jamaicans, not for you to go buy a house for $40 million. We are returning to the mandate of the National Housing Trust. The PNP did say, land for the landless. We are going to make it happen. We have done it before. We are going to do it again. Let me see the hands of the socialists in the crowd. Let me see the hands of those of you who nobody can trick, nobody can twist, nobody can buy, nobody can sell, nobody can fool you, because you are comrades, and you are comrades for life. One love, comrades. One love. You come to me.